butterflies. So today I am going to beep before I tell you guys what I'm going to be doing. I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you guys know when I post new videos. So as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be opening a fruity squishy mochi, and then it comes with a strawberry and then an orange, banana, cherry, apple, and pineapple, watermelon, and I forgot what this word is. Avocado. No, avocado. I didn't know avocado was a fruit. And if it isn't, why is it? So first thing I see is these little baggies that it comes in, and it's so cute. And they come with two each. So like 2 of these, 2 of this, 2 of this. This one looks pretty cool. 2 of bananas. 2 pineapples, 2 strawberries, 2 avocados, and 2 cherries. There's no apples, sadly. So you could have disincluded, you could have disincluded the avocado and added, that. But this is the container it comes in. It's like the same size as my hand, and this is how small my hand is. And then, but just a little bigger. And yeah, so I think we're gonna be opening one of each. So 1 watermelon, 1 that, 1 of this, 1 of strawberry, 1 cherry, 1 of pineapple, 1 this, 1 avocado, and yeah, it's 1 of everything. And just, adding the rest in here. So let's go into it. So I think I'm going to be starting with the pineapple. It seems pretty nice. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, here it is. Mochi, mochi, mochi. Do, 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 do. It's so squishy. So cute. Then I got an avocado. I'm going to be throwing this all out. Look how stretchy it is. And then from the sides. It's stretched taller than my head, and then this side. Yeah. Technically. Oh no! I ruined my avocado. And I just got it. We're not going to be stretching them. We're just going to be squishing them. Because I don't want to ruin them. Then we got a cherry in here. As you can tell from the back. Oh, no face on the other one. I should have added another face on the other one. But this is what it feels like. And then we have a green apple. Oh wait, there is an apple. It's just green though. No red apple. Pretty cute. Then we got a watermelon. It's not a full watermelon, but it's a sliced watermelon. If it wants to open, because if it doesn't, I'll put it. Oh, this one's so cute. The hair, technically, and that, and the outfit and the face, and nothing in the back. So cute. And then, oh, I just opened the apple. All right. Now we're gonna be opening the strawberry. This is my favorite fruit, strawberry. I don't know why. It's just so good. So if you know something about me, it's strawberry. Now it's going to be banana, So cute. There we go. Oh, no stretchy. So cute. And the bag is like a suction, so I can just suck it on my phone. And it's right there. It's right there. Oh, wait. See how I cover the camera? See how I cover the camera? Yeah. And when I grab it, it's right there. Alright, then the last fruit is a dun, 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 an orange. They look so neon, like if they were glow in the dark. You can check if like the neon ones are glow in the dark. Not that one, but that one, because the rest aren't. So you guys want to check it out? Let's turn off the light. So the light of my phone is reflecting. They're not. Wait, they are. That's pretty cool. Like on camera, you can't see it, but on the by real life, you really can. That is cool. Cool. That is awesome. Well, that's all the fruits in there. There's officially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, there's only 8. I miscounted. But yeah. And that's what's in there.